Hey there, junior astronauts! Welcome to another episode of Space Explorers. Today we will be visiting the inner planets. Our first stop is Mercury. I hope everyone packed their sunscreen! Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is also the smallest planet. It has very high daytime temperatures and very low nighttime temperatures. The inside of Mercury is probably made out of iron. Mercury has almost no atmosphere. The craters on its surface show that Mercury has not changed. During the day, the temperature goes up to 430 degrees Celsius, and at night it falls to 170 degrees Celsius. One day on Mercury is equal to 59 days on Earth. Our next stop will be the planet Venus. This planet really goes to show you that beauty is only skin deep. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is similar in size to Earth, but its atmosphere is so dense you would be crushed by it. The atmosphere is made of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. The average surface temperature on Venus is 460 degrees Celsius. One day on Venus is equal to 243 days on Earth. Like Mercury, but unlike Earth, Venus has no moons. Our next stop is Earth, intergalactic headquarters of all life. It is the third planet from the Sun and the only planet in our solar system that can support life. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has liquid water on its surface. Earth's atmosphere is made of 79% nitrogen, 20% oxygen, and 1% other gases. Earth's atmosphere is the only one in our solar system that is rich in oxygen. The average surface temperature of Earth is 14 degrees Celsius. Our next stop is Mars, but don't expect to find any candy bars here. The only thing you'll find is rocks and dust. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is often called the red planet due to a rust-colored dust that covers its surface. Surface temperatures on Mars range from negative 140 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Mars's atmosphere is more than 95% carbon dioxide and very thin. Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos, both of which are very small. Scientists have found evidence of frozen water on Mars and think that there was once large amounts of liquid water on Mars. Well, junior astronauts, that's all for this episode of Space Explorers. Join us next time when we visit the outer planets.
Our next stop is Earth, intergalactic headquarters for McDonald's and Burger King, third planet from the Sun, and the only planet in our solar system, you just bumped the camera,
Did not.
that can support life. Our next stop is Earth, intergalactic home of the copier machine. It is the third planet from the Sun, and the only planet in our solar system that can support life. 4, 5. Our next stop is the Moon, home of Moonites. Beware the Moonites, they steal everything they can get their grubby little hands on.